In this mindfulness meditation, we will be using the sensations of breathing, our hearing, and also the content of our thoughts and emotions. So we'll be using these three things to anchor ourselves into the present moment. So if I could invite you to start bringing an awareness to the sensations of the body right now. What does it feel like to just be sitting where you are? Can you notice perhaps the weight of your feet on the floor? The back of your legs pressed against the seat? Perhaps the weight of your forearms resting on your legs? Just bringing that awareness to what it feels like to be sitting here right now. Just feeling gravity holding us down and pushing us into the floor. Then moving that awareness to the sensations of your breath. As long as you're here and as long as there's something to notice, you will be breathing. So the sensations of the breath is always a really helpful place to start getting yourself grounded to a certain place and time. It's always going to be with you. It's always going to be present. So it's always going to be noticeable. Just bringing an awareness to what it's like to be breathing. You may notice the rise and fall of your chest. It may be the sensations of the air flowing in and out of your nose or your mouth. take some time to really notice what it feels like for your body to be breathing in and out. You may notice how your attention tends to wander. You may go into thinking about all the things you have to do today, what happened yesterday, maybe judging or thinking whether you're doing this right. It's all perfectly normal. That's what the mind wants to do. If we notice ourselves doing this, just gently move our awareness back into the simple sensations of breathing. Back to the rise and fall of the chest. Noticing again if we start to wander off and start to wander, the mind starts to think about other things, just without judgment, just return the sensation back to the breath. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Just notice what we notice. invite you to move that awareness to the sensations of sound. What is it you can hear right now? And sounds arrive, sounds leave. Just notice what it's like to be aware of them. Just notice them arriving in your consciousness. Just see if we can notice them as sounds rather than things or objects. Notice the pitch and tone of the sounds. Are there some sounds that seem closer and others farther away? Just like the sensation of breathing, you don't have to go looking for the sounds. You don't have to actively try and find them. They make their way to you. They arrive in your consciousness in that place of noticing. That's before the mind may start to wander. They start to go into problem solving or running off into the future and thinking about what might happen, or returning to the past and going over things from there. Once again, just notice that that's what the mind wants to do. And just gently bring it back to what you can notice in your present awareness. Now, if you can expand that awareness again and try and notice the content of our minds or emotions. Perhaps any thoughts that do arrive. Once again, just notice that they arrive in our awareness, they arrive in our consciousness in exactly the same way, in exactly the same place that our awareness of our breath can be noticed. The sensations of sound and our hearing can be noticed. Just in that same space and place where the contents of our mind can be noticed also. Thoughts, emotions, there's nothing to do, there's nothing to seek. Just be in the space where all this arrives. And for the last 2 minutes or so of this meditation, just to open up our awareness to everything that we can notice, everything that arrives in our awareness and consciousness. Physical sensations, sounds, heat, pressure, emotion, thoughts. Just be the space where all this can be present. If there is a feeling of being really present right now with what is, and see as you go about your day if you can perhaps take a moment to try and tap back into that. So I invite you to now gently open your eyes as we bring this meditation to a close.